There's my dog rolling around in the grass, having a good time. He loves to roll around in the grass. Come on, Adonis. How long are you going to be outside? There he goes. He's going to roll around again, I think. He's the only dog that doesn't like to go out and do his business right away. Takes his sweet time. Gonna go underneath the tree. It's my avocado tree, by the way, guys. It's my avocado tree. It's blooming. We'll have avocados soon. Let's go, Adonis. Come on. He's taking his sweet time. Smelling around. He's having a good old time there. He's not known for going really fast to go to the bathroom. I don't know why. Takes a sweet time. I know he's got to smell every leaf, the grass. Let's go, Adonis. Come on. Now you wonder when I tell you I got to go let my dog out, why it takes me so long to bring him back in. This is why, guys. He is not in a hurry. Like I said, he's just going to take his sweet time out there. Adonis, let's go, buddy. I got places to go. I got things to do. He could care less. Adonis, what are you smelling? Huh? What are you smelling? Oh my God, it's taking forever to go to the bathroom. Adonis, let's go. Come on. Go back to the avocado tree. What are you doing down there? Oh, finally. There you go. Finally had to, of all the places to do it, he had to do it on my avocado tree. Come on. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Let's go, Adonis. Now what? Oh my God. Lord, give me patience.